Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about my favorite lashes. Like, I'm addicted to these lashes. I've been using them for a couple of years now and I absolutely adore them. So in this brand I use a lot of different styles and every style that I've gotten I've liked. So I just thought I'd go ahead and share a few of the styles. Since this last order I did several different styles, but there are a few that I usually stick to. So the lashes that I am talking about are Coco lashes, and this is 3 different sets. This is what they come in, packages of 3 usually. And my favorite of this brand is the Queen Bee, which I have on today. They're really natural, really fluttery, really pretty. I like wearing these with no eyeliner like I have on today, and I like wearing them with eyeliner. They look good both ways. And let me show you what they look like in the package. So these are the Queen Bees. And I started using these, I don't know if you guys know who Lustrelux Katie is. She's a huge YouTuber. Her and Desi Perkins are like I feel like we're best friends. It's funny. Yeah, I fangirl a little bit with those 2 girls. But Katie is addicted to these lashes and she's always talking about them. So a couple years ago I decided to go ahead and try them, and I see why. They're just super, super pretty. They taper, so they're super long on the end and then they taper off into the center corner. And I like that they're super long, so if you have any length of eye shape, any size, these work well. The bands are super, super thin and flexible, and they're just a really, really pretty lash, and they last forever. If you take care of them, you can get a month, 2 months wear out of 1 set of lashes, and you know, I ain't trying to buy lashes every 2 days. So this order, I decided to try several different new styles that I hadn't tried before. So the first style that I decided to try was dashing. They're sort of more defined, if that makes sense, but I'm excited to try those. I also picked up the Girl About Town, which these are real long and dramatic, so I'm excited to use those. I grabbed the Goddess. I've worn these before. They're really, really pretty. And then the last style that I decided to try was the Soho. These seem like they're more like the Queen Bees, but they're more choppy. These are the Dashing. These are the Girl About Town. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys the lashes that I've been buying from Walmart that are like $2, and they look exactly like the Coco lashes in the style Misha. So if you're ever wondering what the Misha lashes look like from Queen Bee, they look exactly like these. So I've been using these like all the time. They're so pretty. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you like my favorite lashes, and definitely Coco lashes are my favorite. You can go ahead and order them on ladymoss.com. I can go ahead and link that website down below for you. But yeah, if you guys wanted to check those lashes out, they have hundreds of styles of lashes. They have dozens of different styles from Queen Bee, but they also carry Ardell, they carry Kiss, they carry a whole bunch of different other lashes on that website, along with a whole bunch of different makeup. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this quick little, like, my favorite lashes, my second addiction type thing, then make sure that you subscribe, watch, share, comment, and like. Talk to y'all later.